So today I want to share something about Firebase. Firebase is a backend and a service platform hosted by Google. It provides a lot of most common used features when we are trying to build a website or an application, like the user authentication and cloud file storage or cloud database and web hosting, many very useful features. Okay, next, the Firebase also support a lot of platforms, Android, iOS, and today we are just using the JavaScript SDK for web. With Firebase SDK, we can connect to the Firebase service directly from our client side without any or custom backend service. So I think this feature is most useful for our front-end developers or some app developers. Okay. Next, today we are trying to build a very simple group chat using Firebase. Okay, it only have two pages. One is login and the other is the message list. Okay, first let's set up a Firebase project. It's very easy. Just go to the platform and select your target platform, and here we choose web. Then you will get the code like this. Now we can just copy the code and paste to everywhere you want. Then we can start using Firebase in your project. Okay, here is the login page. It only allow users sign in using email and password. If the user doesn't exist, then we just create an account for him. Okay, to handle the user management, Firebase provides a feature called authentication. With Firebase authentication, we can allow users to sign in using some third-party accounts like Facebook or Google, and it also allows users to sign in using email and password. Today we just using the email and password. Now let's try to create a user using Firebase. The code is very easy. Just call the function create user with email and password. Okay, when user wants to sign in, if the user wants to sign in, just call sign in with email and password. Oh, it's very easy, very cool. And all the function will be response a promise object. And you can get some user metadata like the user ID, user email, or display name from the response. It's very easy. And Firebase also provides a function to listen to the user's login status change. This function will be called when user sign in or sign out. This is the basic usage when when user sign in using email and password. If you want some third-party accounts, the code is quite similar like this. Okay, now next let's try to build the main feature, the group chat. It only has three main features. One is to read the latest 10 messages and listen to the new message come or send a new message. In order to storing our data in the cloud, we use Cloud File Store. Cloud File Store is a NoSQL database. Like other databases, it have collection, and in each collection we have many documents. And in each document we can put every data we want. Okay, this is data looks like in the database. Okay, now let's try to add a new message. It's like send a message in the chat room. First, you need to select your collection, and here we select messages, and just call the function, and you can put a data object in the function, and it will store in the cloud. It's very easy. Next, fetch the latest 10 messages. It's quite simple. Just select your collection and apply some filter functions like order by, where, or limit. You will get the data with response. Okay, next. Firebase also provides a very cool function. It allows us to listen to the data change, the real-time changes. When there is some data changes like deleted, updated, we can know the change. And here we listen to the new message come, and then render it in the checklist. Just call this function. It's very easy. Because all our code is run on the user's client, so we need some security rules to protect our database. Firebase provides some security rules to control the access. Here is a demo, and first we need to match the data path. Here we select the message collection and apply two rules. One is for only the login user can read, and the other is only the author can edit his message. Here, it's very easy, and this is the basic usage for the Firestore. Okay, next. After we finished our coding, we need to deploy our code to the internet. Here we use Firebase hosting. Before we use Firebase hosting, we need to install the Firebase tools, and it will help us create our project structure in our local machine. The structure is like this. We can put our HTML code under the public folder, and then call Firebase deploy. After 1 or 2 minutes, your code will go live. Okay, this is the demo, and all our HTML and JavaScript code only 191 lines. Okay, that's all. Okay, thank you.